Hi, my name is Britt Dewey, and this is my EDL 852 intro video. So a little bit about myself. I'm from Silver Lake, Kansas. Graduated high school from there, and then I went on to play football at Washburn University. And I was actually going to be a nursing major before I fell into education. I actually started substitute teaching, fell in love with education, and then I switched my major to um, history with an emphasis in education. I'm currently the seventh grade social studies teacher at Santa Fe Trail Middle School, which is in Carbondale, Kansas, just 15 minutes south of Topeka. I'm currently the junior high football coach, junior high basketball coach, and the high school sprint coach for the track program. Uh, so I graduated from Washburn University, did my student teaching at the same school, Santa Fe Trail. I was a SPED um, student teacher and then I also did social studies at the sixth grade level. After my first semester, they offered me a sped job at the same school. So I did sped for the first semester of my teaching career. I really, really liked it. I learned a lot from the kids, and then I learned a lot about myself as well. And I think that's a great experience for all teachers to dive into the sped side of things just to get that aspect of it down. Um, Very beneficial. So I'm coming up on my third year of teaching. Um, so I'm a fairly young teacher. My leadership experiences so far, sports are an obvious example of leadership experience. Been in sports my whole life, played college football, and I think playing sports you learn how to work with the team. Um, you learn that hard work is going to pay off for you. You learn how to handle adversity. Another leadership experience that I have is I try to get out of my comfort zone as much as I can. I love to travel, so far I've traveled to a few different countries, including Iceland, Australia, Mexico, and Canada. And I think going to a new country, being in that situation, um, it puts you in a new place, and you have to learn to interact with people from all different places, different lifestyles. So just learning how to communicate with people with totally different backgrounds from yourself is extremely beneficial. And you learn a lot about the world. I teach geography, so it's definitely up my alley. But it was the first trip was definitely very eye-opening. So I think that's uh, a very good experience that anybody can have. So I'm excited to get the semester rolling, and I'm excited to learn from all the people in this class. So good luck to everybody out there.